Let me show you how to revert to the default font on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings, and under settings you want to scroll and select display and brightness. Then you want to scroll down and select fonts. Now to restore the default font style, simply tap on my fonts up here to see all the fonts that you've installed on your phone, or you can simply tap on the first option, which is usually the default font on your phone. Now if you had also played around with the font size and font weight slider, simply swipe through to find the default font that was there before until it reads default, and you can do the same for font weight, or for font weight you can simply tap on revert and it's going to revert to the default, and now all your settings and all your app names are going to be in the default font. But that's basically how to restore or revert to the default font style on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.